Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a contact in Hubspot. This is a simple but essential task for anyone managing their CRM and wanting to keep it organized and up to date. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Once there, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Hubspot dashboard. It might look a bit busy at first, but don't worry, we're focusing on deleting a contact today. Next, click on the CRM tab. This section is where you manage all customer relationships and is key for the next steps. With the CRM section open, click on Contacts. This will show you a list of all your saved contacts, giving you an overview and the ability to search or filter through them. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to find the one you want to delete. Once you locate the contact, click on their name to open their profile. Take a moment to confirm that this is the contact you intend to remove. Double-checking here helps prevent accidental deletion. With the contact profile open, look for the delete button, usually represented by a trash icon or labeled delete. Click it, and a confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you truly want to remove the contact permanently. Once you're certain, hit confirm, and there you have it. You've successfully deleted a contact from your Hubspot CRM. Regularly managing and updating your contacts ensures a cleaner, more efficient database. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tips.